Hello, Faith Warriors. I'm Pastor Brian, and today we're going to look at 3 suggestions to help us to remember to rejoice always. Today is the beginning of a 3-part series where we're going to look at 1 Thessalonians 5, verses 16 through 18. Rejoice always. Pray without ceasing. Give thanks in all circumstances. For this is the will of God in Christ Jesus for you. Today we're going to look at verse 16, rejoice always. Now we have plenty of reasons to rejoice, but what does Paul mean exactly by rejoice always? The word rejoice means more than just be happy. It's a call to choose joy over sadness, hopelessness, and negative thoughts. Now we can be hurting and still choose to celebrate the Lord. This is an opportunity for us to look beyond our current circumstances, choose joy, and delight in what the Lord has done and is doing in our lives. When Jesus died for our salvation, it was by grace through faith that we received that gift, and we are called to share that joy and hope with others. So with all of the busyness and responsibilities of life, how can we decide to choose joy? Here are 3 suggestions to help us follow that call. Number 1, set 3 alarms on your phone, maybe 8 a.m., 2 p.m., and 8 p.m., and title them Rejoice. When the alarm goes off, look at your phone or your watch and take a moment to breathe and celebrate the Lord. Number 2, take small sticky notes and place them around your house or office, even your car, maybe your refrigerator, bathroom mirror, or your laptop. And when you see that sticky note, use it as a visual cue to pause, breathe, and celebrate the Lord. Number 3, grab a challenge coin or a small cross, place it in your pocket, and every time you reach in there, maybe for your keys or some change, you'll have that tangible reminder and take the opportunity to rejoice in the Lord. The busyness of life can make it hard for us to remember to choose joy. But I want to encourage you, try some of these suggestions and see how rejoicing in the Lord can impact your life. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I look forward to next week when we follow up on this verse and move on to the next. Verse 17. Pray without ceasing. Be well, stay fit, and have a wonderful day.